Hello and welcome to another update video about WTI. Yeah, today we can see that market actually is rallying according to the expectations here in an ABC structure currently to the upside. That is good to see. Yeah, we start with WTI. Afterwards, we take a look at Brent Crude oil. In the previous videos, we said that as long as the 65.84 level is holding, we should see that C wave to the upside. That could be finished at some point here. Price action to the upside, though, looks very choppy, so I wouldn't be surprised if this unfolds as a so-called ending diagonal pattern, where we see a little bit more of a chop there. Based on what we can see, it should really push a little higher. The relevant swing low that I would look at is this one here. As long as that's holding, we can focus on higher now, and that is the $70.70 level. We're obviously heading into resistance. Resistance for this wave 2 top goes all the way up to 79.35. As long as we stay below that, we should get a third wave to the downside. Okay, so the idea is that we should then follow through down. Sure, you know, the low could be in, but at present I have no evidence for that. Okay, so as long as we stay below 79.35, my view is that we head down once more lower, eventually in a third wave breakdown. Target wise for the C wave, I mean, we can take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B, and then we're looking at different target ranges. So we've got the 61.8 extension as the first one, that's 75.44, and then we've got 79.29, pretty much good overlap with the 78.6 retracement. So that's the 100% extension, very typical target for a C wave. Wouldn't be surprised to get up there. I don't really have a very good view of the structure, what this could be. Obviously a few ideas. Again, ending diagonal would suggest that the move up here was in 3 waves, a wave 1. We came down in a wave 2. This here could now be a third wave, but seems to be an impulse at the moment, or might be on its way to that. But that could become a third wave, then a fourth and a fifth. So we need to see how this develops, but therefore, I said the $70.70 level is the short-term relevant micro support and invalidation point for this scenario. So yeah, so that's going according to plan. And then looking at Brent crude oil as well, it's a bit more sloppy even. Already suggested in the previous video that this could be here some kind of a diagonal pattern in an expanding wedge. Very difficult structure. Little bit behind as it seems, but the overall structure the same. Also here, resistance here is between $79.50 and $84. Doesn't mean we have to go all the way up to 84. But sort of we have a few levels to watch for. Here, the 100% extension is 79.52. That's certainly worth watching for a possible reaction. Very much a good overlap to the 50% retracement at 79.50. And then we've got the 1.618 extension at 83.31. Very close to the 78.6 retracement at $84. So these are the next key resistances. Here, this 79.52 level is as well a previous wave 4 high. Sometimes they bounce off from there. But short term, also here, little higher expected. And here the relevant level against which we can focus on higher is 74.62. But then again, it shouldn't go above 84 to not endanger, yeah, and challenge too much the scenario that afterwards a third wave breakdown should occur. Yeah, that's really everything about oil. Not too much to add because it's going according to plan. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.